Comparing two numbers means finding which number is smaller and which number is greater. And this can be represented by these symbols. This one is greater than, that means the number which is in this side is greater and the number which is in this side is smaller, and this sign is called less than sign. That means the number which is in this side is less than the number which is in right side. Out of given numbers, the number with more digits is always greater than the number with less digits. Suppose let us take the example, the number is 1, 2, 3. This number has 3 digits. The first one is 1, second one is 2, and third one is 3. And now let us take another number, that one is 9, 9, that is 99. This number is less than this number. That means 123 is greater than 99. If the given numbers have equal number of digits, then how we will compare two numbers? Suppose one number is 1, 2, 3, and next number is 2, 1, 3. We have to find which number is greater and which number is smaller. To check this, first we have to check the first digit. The first digit is this one, and for the next number the first digit is this one. We have to compare the first digit, which one is greater. We can see that 2 is greater than 1, so we can say that this one 213 is greater than this 123, and we can represent these two numbers by the symbol like this way. This means 123 is less than 213. If the given numbers have same first digit, then how we will check which one is smaller and which one is greater? Suppose let us take the example, this one 2, 1, 3, and the next number 2, 3, 1. This is how we will check that which one is smaller and which one is greater. To check this, in this case, since these two and these two are equal, so now we have to check the next digit, that is this one and this one. Which one is greater? We can see that 3 is greater than 1, so this number is greater than this number. So again we can show which one is greater by the symbol like this. That means 213 is less than 231. Now first two digits of given numbers are same, that is for two numbers the digits at the place of hundreds are equal and the digits at the place of tens are equal. Then how we will check which one is greater and which one is smaller? To check this, again we have to check the next digit, that is the digit of ones. Now let us take another example, 2, 3, 7, and the next number is 2, 3, 9. We can see in this case the digits at the place of hundreds of two numbers are same, and the digits at the place of tens also same. Now we have to check the digits at the place of ones. Here is 7 and here is 9. We know 9 is greater than 7, so this number is greater than this number. So we can represent this by the symbol of less than like this way. 237 is less than 239. So for any given numbers, to check which one is smaller and which one is great, we have to check the first digit of given number from left side. If the digits are equal, then we have to check the next digit of the given numbers from left side. If again these two are same, then again we have to check the next digit of the given numbers from left side. If again the given digits are equal, then again we have to proceed the previous method. Now let us solve some questions. We have to put greater than, less than and equals and after comparing the given numbers. First number is 410 and next number is 428. The first digit, that is 4, of first number and the first digit of second number, that is 4, are equal. So now we have to check the next digit. Next digit is 1 of first number, but next digit of second number is 2 and 2 is greater than 1. So 428 is greater than, and this is the representation. Now the next question, this one, we have to check the digit of 100. Since this is 3 digits number, so we have to check the digits of hundreds. The digit of hundreds for first number is 4 and the digit of hundreds of second number is 5, and we know 5 is greater than 4. So 567 is greater than 468. This is the representation. Now let us solve this question. 815 and 729. Now first we have to check the digit of hundreds. For the first number, the digit of hundreds is 8. For the next number, the digit of hundreds is 7, and we know 8 is greater than 7. So 815 is greater than 729, and this is the representation. By this way we can check which number is smaller and which number is greater. Comparing two numbers, we can arrange these numbers in ascending order. So first we have to find the smaller number, and after that we have to arrange this number in ascending order.